Magmula sa isang player na nag-beast mode nang makakita ng magandang babae sa courtside hanggang sa player na na-inlove sa isang referee, ay narito ang mga NBA players na nag-beast mode matapos makakita ng magandang babae sa courtside. Simulan nga natin yan nang magpakitang gilas si Kevin Durant nang makita ang magandang fan na ito sa laban nila kontra Blazers.
Durant hurt the Blazers for 22 in the first half, and that ends very quickly. But into Caspi, had nowhere to go. KD, feet set, three down! Very quietly, it was Looney that switched out on Lillard, make him give up the ball. Durant!
Hanip si KD na love at first sight. Pero mas hindi mo aasahan ang ginawang ito ni Luka dahil na-inlove ito sa isang NBA referee. Kaya naman, naghalimaw ito sa laban nila kontra Clippers at umiscore ng 42 points.
Clippers without Serge Ibaka as well as Patrick Beverley. Doncic leans into Leonard, hits the three, plus the foul. Got clock down to 6, Doncic, oh baby.
A bit remiss to take any credit for his skill.
Doncic.
Zubac to hang in the lane, and that got him the 3-second call.
Wow. Timeout Clippers.
Again,
Tumungo naman tayo kay LeBron James dahil noong January 16, 2023 nang makaharap ng Lakers ang Rockets ay hindi lang ito basta normal na laro dahil malapit nang ma-break ni LeBron ang scoring record. Kaya naman nang makita ni LeBron ang babaeng ito na nakatitig sa kanya ay bigla na lang itong nag-beast mode.
Overjump that, mistimed it.
LeBron coast to coast. Plus the foul.
Rockets struggling to stop the basketball, and there you go. Challenge LeBron, make him have to work. And help, and help. You probably tried, and goodness, LeBron heating up here, Craig.
LeBron lines up a three. LeBron makes the three, 11 in a row.
Since the Rockets got close, LeBron has gotten back in the game. And
grabe naman ang titig mo, ate. Parang kakainin mo na si LeBron. Pero hindi lang ito isang beses nangyari dahil noong March 11, 2022 nang makaharap niya ang dati niyang teammate na si Kyle Kuzma ay present na nanonood ang girlfriend nito sa courtside.
Now the Porzingis, good play by Russ. Double teaming, shovel it to LeBron. Here he comes. LeBron James! Throw it down!
LeBron, they're loving it here at Crypto.com.
Grabe ang tingin ni LBJ, pero mas grabe ang nangyari pagkatapos niyan.
Department last year, although clutch games haven't been great. LeBron steps into that one. Into the game here in the fourth quarter. LeBron now trying to back up. Clock's down to 3. LeBron over Kuz.
Kuz looked at LeBron and said, "Man, you did that to me in practice a lot. Now you're doing it in the game."
The march so far for LeBron.
There it is. 50. Another nickel.
50.
Nakita mo lang ang girlfriend ng kalaban mo, umiscore ka na agad ng 50 points. Ibahin naman natin ang nangyari kay Ben Simmons dahil noong 2018, noong dinidate pa ni Simmons ang sikat na model na si Kendall Jenner, ay nagka-problema ito dahil imbis na makapagpakitang gilas si Simmons ay andyan ang ex ni Kendall na si kabayan Jordan Clarkson na umagaw ng kanyang atensyon.
Two of his guys looked up in the stands and said, "You can do better for these fans."
Well, Clark's son, they've just ended the Sixers' hopes here. They're down
Under a minute to go. Jordan doing the work. 5 to shoot. Has to shoot. Stuck inside. Good night, Philadelphia. The Clarkson dance to the hoop is back.
19 points for JC in the second half, and the Cavaliers lead 116-103.
Yep, and what was needed, he delivered.
Napaalis na lang tuloy si Kendall Simmons dahil hindi ka daw marunong mag-shoot. Tila na in love naman itong si Cam Thomas sa isang fan na hindi lang basta maganda, hindi isang Olympic gold medalist pa. Isang ngiti nga lang nito ay nag-beast mode na agad si Thomas.
Leads to a steal and a run out by Thomas. He dunks it, and we are tied at 109.
Thomas being guarded by Kispert. 4 on the shot clock.
Step back by Campbell. Thomas hits nothing but net. The Brooklyn Nets take their first lead of the game.
Take away his airspace. Make him put it on the
Possession. Thomas, jumper. He got it!
I get that smile. I'll take that.
Kakaiba ka pala kung ma-in-love, Thomas. Pero speaking of in love, ay na-love at first sight naman si Jeremy Grant sa fan na ito. Kaya sa laban kontra Dallas ay umiscore ito ng 37 points.
And coach always talks about how no weakness in his game.
Straightens for three, too strong, rebound falling. Ramanacic reload, get it out of here. Grant spikes it out of bounds.
They're covering for one another really well. Oh, stop and go.
Swoop inside, scoop and score.
Sa sumunod naman nating video ay nag-beast mode naman si Kobe Bryant nang makitang nanonood courtside ang American actress na si Halle Berry.
I'm a big Laker fan, that's for sure. A big Laker fan.
And who are your favorite players?
Kobe.
Kaya naman, nang ma-realize ni Kobe na nasa courtside ang actress, ay oras na para mag-transform bilang Black Mamba.
Higher, obviously, with Shaq not shooting. Kobe digging his way inside. What a play by Kobe Bryant.
On the road, chance to win here in Dallas.
This is the third and final meeting this season between the two. Bryant. Oh, what a play! Bryant with his 31st point tonight. Nowitzki had knocked away by Kobe Bryant, and the Lakers have numbers. Bryant and Jermaine Jones, and Bryant puts it down.
Pakitang gilas talaga si Kobe sa larong yon. At magpapahuli ba sa listahan ang batang player na si Austin Reeves dahil sa laban ng Lakers kontra Pistons ay nagpakitang gilas ito pagkatapos tamaan ang magandang dalaga sa courtside.
Cheap here at Crypto.com, ladies. If it gets
Get the
knocked
company
out,
card out here, especially attacking 47. Skips into the front court. Here he goes to the rim. The fake, the turn, the shot, the score.
Casey.
Reeves, 6 in the quarter, too. 6 of the 8 belong to Austin. During that key stretch in the first half, brought the Lakers back after they were down by 14. Reeves again handling the ball. Up and under, the scoop and the score.
Tumungo naman tayo sa pambihirang performance ni Jordan Poole sa Game 2 ng NBA Finals nang makakita ito ng isang babae sa courtside.
With Steph Curry's shot making in the offense, it's been their defense that has taken over. Jordan Poole says, let's go. Let's spin.
And again, pick and roll, pick and roll, pick and roll.
Golden State has a lot of time. Poole with the ball. Launches.
Pero hindi lang yan isang beses nangyari dahil noong December 27, 2022 nang makaharap ng Warriors ang Hornets ay tila may naispatan na namang babae ang player na ito.
Only 2 for 7 on threes, but a big one there. Poole to the rim.
LaMelo Ball was on the weak side. He was the only one that could help it. He was still focused on the official trying to complain to get a foul. What a move by Jordan Poole. Every which way but... Shot clock's down to 6. Poole the spin. Kuminga!
At kung usapang pagalingan naman, ay pag-usapan naman natin si LeBron James dahil nang bumisita si Beyonce at Jay-Z. Sa laro nito, ay motivated si LeBron na magpakitang gilas.
LeBron sent it. Oh, are you kidding me? Seriously? Are you kidding me? Well, 91-71. Looks like the Duchess likes that one.
Pero ibahin naman natin ang nangyari kay Kevin Durant dahil nang bumisita si Rihanna noong 2017 Finals ay halatang hater ito ni KD kaya nga ginawa niya ang lahat para asarin si KD. Yun nga lang ay ganito ang nangyari.
40-some game, 40-some days.
Alley-oop three to Durant.
Has up some good veterans on their bench.
Pass all the way across, and Durant throws it down. Here's Durant across the lane. Off the steal. Here comes Curry. Finds Durant. Durant for 3.
Shut up ka na lang daw kasi Rihanna at manood na lang. Isunod naman natin nang maispatan ni Javel ang isang babae courtside.
Off the mark. Look at McGee. Hustling into the front row.
May edad na pala ang trip ng player na ito ay pahabol pang kiss. Pero di bale, dahil ang kiss na yun pala ang magpapalabas ng tunay na lakas ni Javel McGee.
With McGee going to the line.
That's still pretty.
So the lob.
Kiss lang pala ni Lola ang kailangan mo. Tumungo naman tayo sa pagwawala ni Jalen Brunson dahil noong February 3, 2023 sa laban ng Knicks at Nets ay spotted courtside na nanonood ang Australian rapper na si Iggy Azalea. Kaya naman nagpakitang gilas ang mga players that night. Pero isang player lang ang nakakuha ng atensyon ni Iggy at yan ay walang iba kundi si Jalen Brunson dahil umiscore lang naman ito ng 40 points.
Brunson, nice crossover. Ooze from the crowd as Jalen Brunson gets his second field goal.
Randall Brunson missed his first 2 shots.
He was much skinnier last year. Brunson, shake and bake, goes and bridges his former teammate, counted and one. Little shake and bake from Jalen Brunson. He's got 26.
Bridges has to take it work, but not this time.
Oh, Brunson on the drive. The layup is good. Oh, another sweet move from Jalen Brunson.
Intoxicating move.
At pagkatapos ng game ay ang mismong rapper pa ang nag-congratulate kay Jalen Brunson.